Welcome back, Witchcraft friends and families. Today I'm so excited because we're making one of my all-time favorite summer drinks. It's not ice water. Can you make a guess what it is? Use this picture clue to help. That's right, we're making lemonade. First, we're going to read this story, Let's Make Lemonade. I want you to listen very closely because this story mentions some ingredients and materials that we also need to use. After we're done with this story, we'll review some materials that we need, and then we'll look at a recipe and make some lemonade together. Let's start. Let's make lemonade. It's so hot today. We're so thirsty for a cold drink. Let's make a cold drink. Let's make a sweet drink. Let's make lemonade. Let's make it in a pitcher. Add cold water. Add white sugar. Roll and cut the lemons. Squeeze the lemons. Spot the lemon seeds. Pick out all the seeds. Stir the lemonade with a long spoon. Don't spill the pitcher. Lemonade is sticky. Our drink looks cold. Our drink looks sweet. We're so thirsty for our lemonade. The end. Let's Make Lemonade is all done. Let's review some material and ingredients that you need to make lemonade. All right, friends, when we're thinking about making lemonade, let's move this over. Do you need lemons to make lemonade? Yes or no? Yes, you do. Our most important ingredient. Yes, you do need lemons. Let's move on to our next ingredient. Do you need hot dogs to make lemonade? Yes or no? No, you do not need a hot dog to make lemonade. Too ridiculous, too silly. Let's move it over to the no side. The next ingredient I have is water. Do you need water to make lemonade? Yes, you do. Let's move it to the yes side. What about this material? Do we need markers to make lemonade? No, we don't need markers. What about sugar? Do we need sugar to make lemonade? Yes, we do. That's what makes it so sweet. Move to the yes side. What about, do we need a monkey to make lemonade? No, way too silly. We do not need a monkey. Let's move it to the no side. What about this material? A spoon. Do you need a spoon to make lemonade? Yes, you do. That's how we mix our mixture. Last material that we'll talk about. What about a cup? Do you need a cup or a pitcher to make lemonade? Yes, you do. That's what we mix in and what we drink out of, a cup. Thanks for reviewing the material and ingredients, friends. Now we can get started to look at our recipe. Here you'll see our recipe for making lemonade. I really like this recipe because it doesn't include specific measurements. So if you're using different types of box lemonades like I am, there's already an ingredient on the box, so you can just follow that and really use this more as visual steps to follow along. So the first thing that we're gonna do is measure our mixture that we're using. And like I said, I'm using a mixture from this packet. So I'm gonna use scissors. If your student's working on that, this is a perfect opportunity. I'm gonna snip very carefully And then I'm going to pour my mixture into my cup. Okay, my next step, I'm going to measure the water that I need. I'm only making 1 cup, just for myself today. But if you're making more, make sure you follow those directions. Pour very slowly and carefully and stop. Now, I'm going to pour the water into the cup. Step 4, time to mix, my favorite part. Now we get to sing. Mixa, 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 mix. Mixa, 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 some lemonade will fix. Our next step, I'm adding this step. I would like to cut my lemon. This step, we'll use a knife, and friends can do this with an adult very carefully. Cut lemon. Nice job. Now, let's squeeze some lemon. Just like our book said, squeeze. Some people like to put the lemon peel in. I don't, so I'm gonna leave it out. Next step, add ice. I want 5 ice cubes. Can friends help me count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and stop. Thanks for helping me count. Step 6, let's add a straw. I chose yellow. Now it's time to take a sip and test out our lemonade. It's so delicious. Friends, thanks for helping me make some lemonade. I hope you get to enjoy this activity as a family. As always, send a picture of you using this recipe to your special education teacher. Look forward to seeing your pictures. Thanks, friends.